honestly been like taking a break from like creating content and just like creating in general to just like enjoy my life, because I often overwork myself because like I want to be at a certain place at like a certain age. So I overwork myself and often forget to like
have fun and chill. So I've been doing that for a minute, and also I've been I have seriously been working so hard for this fashion show, and seeing it all come together is just amazing. Oh, there's Ale. Love Ale. It's been a lot. So I am styling for a photo shoot today. I'm really excited about because this is my first time that I've ever been scouted for a photo shoot by like a creative director slash photographer. So I'm like, hell yeah! I'm getting up there for real.
with my designing and styling stuff, so I'm like so excited.
The fashion show that I'm organizing has gotten a lot more attention than I ever anticipated it to have, so I'm so happy.
Once the fashion show is over, I'm going to be creating a lot more and just ramping it up, because
I am so excited to announce that I now have a boutique again inside of Glamazon Jane.
My friend Halo, she invited me to like work with the store because she knew I was a designer in like June, I think, and I was just gonna like, we never expected me to be doing like be so integrated into the store as I am now, so I'm like really excited about, I'm really happy about that, because it's like I literally have my own key. I have the key to Glamazon Jane.